Very nice, look at that. Hello guys and welcome back, and this is the Lenovo Legion 7. Stay tuned, it's coming up. The world's first 16-inch QHD gaming laptop, and it's powered by AMD. So we got the top of the line model here, an AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, NVIDIA RTX 3080 capable of drawing 165 watts of power, 64 gigs of RAM and 3 terabytes of storage if you just want to go crazy. Now let's talk about the design of this laptop. So I had this laptop for some time now, and I can say for sure the most interesting thing about it is this strange color. A color that is named Storm Grey, if you were wondering. And we also got this little glossy Legion logo, giving it a bit of flair. Also, considering this is a 16-inch gaming laptop and the fact that it's about 2.5 kilograms, I will say it's a surprisingly portable laptop. The first time you open it up, you'll be surprised that the screen just keeps going. It's a full 180 degrees hinge, so the screen can lie completely flat. And let's not forget, this is a gaming laptop, so we do have lots of RGB lights. Along with the RGB Corsair keyboard, we got this RGB strip running around the front and sides of the laptop, and even coming out of the fan vents. This laptop just shines, especially in the low light. Plus you can customize it in the IQ software, from where you can choose different kind of light effects, or you can simply turn it off if it's not your cup of tea. But let's talk about the display, and all I can say is this is exactly the same panel as the one you're gonna find in the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. So you will get a 16 inches IPS 16:10 aspect ratio, 2560 by 1600 resolution, 165 Hz refresh rate, 3 milliseconds response time, up to 500 nits in brightness, 100% sRGB coverage, HDR 400, Dolby Vision and NVIDIA G-Sync support. Plus they also made the bezels incredibly thin, so it doesn't really add much to the size of the laptop. As a whole, it's a fantastic display, just like on the Legion 5 Pro. It works perfectly well for general use, watching videos or even gaming, which you're gonna play a lot. Next up, Cinebench. On both the quiet and balanced power profiles, it will score around 10,000 for the multicore, which I will say it's an amazing performance. However, changing power profiles from quiet to performance will increase that number by 20%, resulting in a score about 12,000 for the multicore. In terms of gaming, we tested this laptop in two main resolutions, 1080p and 1440p, and we ran it in the performance mode and in the main GPU mode only. And here are the numbers. With 1080p, games like CSGO or Valorant will take full advantage of that high refresh rate display, while Halo Infinity will enjoy frame rates in the triple digits. Even at 4040p, the RTX 3080 will still deliver. Again, CSGO and Valorant are still well above 300 frames per second, and the rest of the games are still above 100 frames per second. Ray tracing is also supported by our RTX 3080, with realistic lighting and shadows, and still has great frames thanks to DLSS 2.0. This goes for both 1080p and 4040p. But we also get the Lenovo Legion AI engine. So when you actually launch a game, it optimizes the hardware, the software, the drivers, and then it gives you the best performance possible. Also, pressing the function key and Q together is also a quick shortcut for switching between font profiles, or you can just keep it on auto mode if you just want to go easy. Regarding the temperatures, you don't have to worry too much, especially if you're just gaming. The temperatures will hover around 80 degrees Celsius for most of the games on the performance profile, which I think is really nice, I will say. In Cinebench, on the other hand, the temperatures remain just around 90 degrees Celsius. Despite the temperatures going as high as 90 degrees Celsius, I'm quite surprised the keyboard actually managed to remain cool. The most annoying thing I should say about this laptop in performance mode is the noise. It does get quite loud in the performance mode, but not bad in the quiet and balance mode. And of course, you get the very familiar keyboard from Lenovo, the Legion TrueStrike keyboard, which just feels fantastic for both typing and gaming. And also, I have to admit, I'm also glad that they also found the space and they included a numpad. It just makes your life so much easier. As usual, for the webcam, you're getting just a 720p image, and that's roughly the same as the other webcams on the other laptops on the market. So nothing fancy regarding the video or sound quality, but it should be alright. One of the things I like most about the Legion 7 is that most of the ports are located to the back, including the power adapter, which helps a lot with the cable management, especially if you want to use this as a desktop replacement. On the right we have the USB-C and also this electronic shooter button for the webcam. On the left side we have a USB-C and a headphone mic combo. And on the back we have 3 USB Type A's, 1 USB-C, 1 HDMI, Ethernet, and of course your power adapter. Moving on, battery life. Unfortunately, the battery life will not last you for the whole day. By default, if you're just to use the laptop out of the box, the laptop will be using the dedicated RTX 3080 graphic card and will run at the full 165 Hz. In this mode, you will get a maximum of around 3 hours of battery life. So if you want to use it for the whole day, you will definitely have to bring this giant charger with you. Besides that, I think that the Lenovo Legion 7 is the most stunning and the most powerful beast on the market at the moment. It just got everything that you will ever want from a gaming laptop. A compact design, a great display, and an awesome performance. And also, the build quality I think is one of the best in the world. Now in terms of the price, I will say this laptop is surely the best laptop that you can get for your value of your money. So let me know your opinions in the comment sections down below, guys. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next time, see you all!